Manifesting abundance and prosperity is hard. Getting on the ground and actually sitting there to focus on those abundance is a hard thing to do. Maybe you have heard these sentences used a lot by many people, and you do too believe that manifesting something like abundance and prosperity is actually hard. Well, if you just know how to turn your dreams into reality, it is not a hard task to do. Turning your dreams into reality is one of the main things that many people miss out when they are manifesting something. They do something wrong, and they don't even notice that they have made a mistake in there. For example, have you tried manifesting money and then you got no result out of it, or got a very different result than what you actually expected to get from that manifestation process? Bob Proctor was one of the greatest teachers on how to attract abundance with the help of law of attraction. In today's video, we are going to discuss about some of the teachings that he taught in his lectures and in his books about how to attract abundance and prosperity into your life with the help of the law of attraction. Imagine a life that is full of all the abundance and prosperity that you have attracted into your life. Doesn't that life look like a very perfect representation of what you want your life to be? Well, I think it obviously should, because that is what you have attracted into your life. So how to get to that point where you are actually fulfilled about what you have attracted into your life? Stick with me till the end and find out, with the help of the teachings of Bob Proctor. Hello, and welcome back to my new video. If you are new to my channel, hello. As I have already mentioned today's topic, I want you to buckle up in your seat and listen to me carefully till the end of this video. If you don't understand, rewind and listen to it again. If I am going slow or fast, there is always an option for the playback speed in the settings to the right side of this video. Calm down and listen to what I say, concentrate and understand. So let's get started. Maybe sometimes you have had a thought that maybe the desire that you are manifesting is not in your bucket. It is not something in your destiny. Well, if you think that, let me tell you, everything that you desire, everything that ever crosses your mind can be attracted towards you. And there is nothing called it is impossible to attract, or it is not in your destiny. You just are shaping your mind into something to believe that the thing is impossible. To get what you want, you have to change this mindset with the help of imagination, affirmation, and other things. You can get those desires come up to you in real life. Just believing in that "it is impossible" phrase to get something is not going to help you get that thing. Keep in mind that you are the co-creator of your reality. So if you want something in your life, you can actually attract the situations that are related to that thing. You just have to think and believe in it, and boom, you get it. Maybe you have tried envisioning your desires to manifest a certain thing in your life. Even if you have not consciously tried it yet, everybody does the visualization process on a daily basis without being conscious of it. Even if the person is not aware of manifestation or spirituality, they are still visualizing their present and future all the time, because we have this creative side of ours that clicks once we see something. For example, look for a picture of your favorite pop celebrity in the internet. Maybe you have seen their interviews or the snippets of their concert, and you have wished to be there. When you are wishing to be there, what are you doing? You are visualizing yourself in that concert or that interview. You take yourself to this another imaginary world that is full of delusion, and nothing that happens in that world look like a fake scenario for you. While you are in that world, you are feeling every feeling of being present in that world. Similarly, for your manifestation, you can do the same. When you are visualizing, live in that moment in your imaginary world like that is actually the physical reality. When you are in there, define every detail. Be as precise as you can be with your desire in that visualization. That is when you get the real feel of your desire. That is what it is called to taste the first taste of your desire. Once you get the taste, once you get into the hang of it, your subconscious will be longing to get back into that feeling. Your subconscious will mostly be attracted by those feelings and vibrations. You just have to make your subconscious believe that the imaginary world that you are envisioning is actually a real event. So for that you have to be precise with the details of your desire. For example, when you are attracting abundance and prosperity into your life, just envision yourself in that position where you have all the abundance and where you are fulfilled with the abundance that you have in your life. Just feel the feeling of being in that position of being rich. And when you are in that position, add every detail that you can add to those scenarios, and do it with the help of your conscious mind, because your subconscious takes signals from your conscious mind and believes in every single your conscious mind sends to your subconscious mind. So, while you are visualizing, be there in that world that your conscious mind created, and your subconscious mind will automatically believe that you have been in that situation. Especially when you click back into the reality, do not take that imagination as something that is delusional. Take it as something or some event that already took place or is going to take place, and believe in that thing. That is when you actually convince your subconscious mind that the version of you, which is rich, is the version of you that you are right now. So after this, the one thing to keep in mind is that not everything in the environment is butterflies and flowers. There are cactuses that can harm you. But the thing about cactuses is that when we observe them from a far distance, those also looks beautiful, and it doesn't harm us. Similarly, all the negative thoughts and negative things that contradict your manifestation, those should only be observed from afar. When you indulge with them, they have that much power to take you off of the path and beat you to the ground. So remember that you are the mere observer of the negativity, and you are the ones that is actually involved in the positivity. And when you realize your position, you realize that the negativity can never touch you. Now coming to the feeling of gratitude, which is one of the greatest teachers in our life. Remember to embrace the feeling every time when you are asking for something. Be grateful of what you have right now to attract more of that kind of vibration. Don't only feel the gratitude of what you have, also feel the gratitude for what is left to come. Let's affirm together to feel the gratitude of the abundance of what we have, as well as what is going to come. I am thrilled and grateful that money flows to me abundantly from various sources, continuously increasing. I am overjoyed and grateful that my business thrives every day, coming from all directions. Be thankful for the opportunities that comes your way. Be thankful for all the loving relationships that you have. Be thankful that you got to experience this day. Be thankful that you are who you are right now. When you are grateful, you are acquiring a positive attitude towards life. You are creating that confidence in you, so that you are never hesitant to take any step towards any situation that might come in near future. Remember that everything happens for a reason, and the manifestation has its own time to show up when the situation is right for it to show up. Do not rush in anything, and do remember to repeat the affirmations to have a positive, healthy attitude towards life. By saying this, we have come to the end of this video. If you have come this far, I thank you for listening to me. If you liked this video, press that like button down below and share it with your friends and family. It would mean a lot to me if you even subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. Thank you.